protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:26 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hustisford to Johnson Creek, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hartford, Oconomowoc, and Lac La Belle around 11:35 a.m. Delafield and Okauchee Lake around 11:40 a.m. Heartland and Merton around 11:45 a.m. Waukesha, Pewaukee, Sussex, Jackson, Germantown, and Lisbon around 11:50 a.m. Brookfield, Cedarburg, Elm Grove, Thiemsville, Butler, and Brookfield around 11:55 a.m. Wauwatosa, Mequon, Grafton, and Bayside around noon. Whitefish Bay and Glendale around 12:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Marquette University, Colgate, Chemaquah, Richfield, Milwaukee, Mapleton, Stone Bank, Summit, North Lake, and Holy Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe